So good afternoon everyone, and today we will discuss about the computer-assisted language learning. So let's define first what is CAL. So it refers to the use of technologies including computers, software, mobile devices, and the internet to facilitate and enhance language teaching and learning. So CAL emphasizes learners' autonomy, interactivity engagement by integrating multimedia tools to create effective language learning environments. CAL combines linguistic theories, educational pedagogy, and technological tools to develop learner skills, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. It also provides personalized and adaptive learning environments, addressing the diverse needs for learners. CAL ranges from basic drill and practice programs to sophisticated tools like virtual reality or the VR, AI-powered learning platforms, and speech recognition software. So the key features of this is the interactive, which CAL engages learners through gamified platforms, multimedia content, and simulations. The second one is flexible, so learners can access all CAL materials anytime and anywhere. So the last one is feedback-oriented. CAL tools provide instant feedback, allowing learners to monitor progress. The example of this one is the Grammarly, which allows the students to check their grammar or to check their work and to monitor their progress. Also, using the CAL or the CAL theory, it will allow the students to engage and be interactive through using the tools that will help them learn while engaging at the same time. So, sa Gen Z generation, daghan kayo ang magamit nga tools just like sa mga students that naanay mga AI learning platforms that will help them to make their assignments easy sa mga tasks that will be given by their teachers. It will make them accessible. So, if you have the internet to access, so then you can access the materials anytime and anywhere. Kanang mga softwares, for example, kanang if dili makamit ang teacher, kanang face-to-face, then they will use the Google Meet para ma-meet ang ilang mga students, and that also engage the students, which is teamwork from the students and the teachers. So in that way, ang learning is kanang nag-progress and tuloy-tuloy.
This is the 5 proponents of CAL theory and their perspective. Computer-assisted language learning has evolved significantly since its inception, with various proponents offering diverse perspectives on its role and potential in language education. This paper ignores the views of 5 influential figures in CAL theory, highlighting their distinct contribution to the field. So the number one person is Elizabeth Hansel-Smith. Hansel-Smith, a pioneer in CAL, emphasized the importance of methodology's role in individualizing language learning. She advocates for flexible and adaptable CAL environment that cater to diverse learning needs and learning styles. So she recognized also the potential of CAL to enhance communicative abilities to provide learning with opportunities to practice and interact with the target language in authentic context. So the second person is John Underwood. Underwood, prominent advocate for communicative CAL, emphasized the importance of using language for meaningful communication. He criticized the drill and kill approach prevalent in early CAL, arguing that it fails to engage learning in authentic language use. So Underwood proposed a series of premises for communicative CAL that prioritize implicit grammatic learning, original utterance generation, and authentic target language use. He believes that CAL should create environment where learners feel comfortable using the target language naturally both on and off on the screen. 1, 2, 3. So the third person is Philip Lance Knowles, known as a strong proponent of integrating Paul into language education, argues that technology should not be seen as a replacement for teachers, but rather as a valuable tool that enhances learning experiences. He stresses the importance of multimodal learning, utilizing various technological tools and resources of engage cognitive processes and optimize learning outcomes. So Knowles emphasized the need of research-based skill development, drawing on insight from neuroscience and second language acquisition to inform the design and implementation of effective calls in materials and activities. The fourth one is Richard Hubbard. Hubbard, a leading figure in call theory and research, advocates for a more theoretical approach to call development. He argues that the call needs its own dedicated theory to account for the unique characteristics of the technology-mediated learning environment. Hubbard proposes a typology for the relationship between theory and false practice, highlighting the importance of the theory, borrowing, adaptation, synthesis, and creation. He emphasized the need for all researchers to engage with existing theoretical frameworks and adapt them to the specific context of call, ultimately contributing to the development of the robust and comprehensive call theory. So our last person is Stephen Bax. So Bax, a prominent scholar in call, focuses on the concept of call normalization. He argues that the ultimate goal of call is to achieve a state of technology becomes visible and seamlessly integrated into language teaching. Bax criticized the restricted call approach where technology is used in isolation and fails to connect with the broader curriculum. He advocates for the integrated call approach where technology is used strategically to use and enhance all aspects of language learning. Bax believes that call normalized will occur and when technology is used to serve needs on learning and facilitate language development in meaning and authentic ways. So let's move in 5 issues and criticisms of call theory in language teaching and learning. So while call or computer-assisted language learning has revolutionized language teaching, it's not without its criticism. Here are 5 keys, issues, and criticism along with relevant authors. So number 1 is lack of unified call theory. So criticize call lack of comprehensive unifying theory to guide reaching and practice. Theories far from the field are often insufficient to address the unique dynamic of technology-mediated language learning. So the author of this is Richard Hubbard. Second is overemphasis on technology and underemphasis on pedagogy. Criticism, some call implementation prioritize technological features over sound pedagogical principles. This can lead to programs that are engaging but lack educational value or fail to address core language learning needs. So the author of this is Zhen-Qin Zhang. The third one, limited access capabilities. So criticism, assessing language skills effectively through a call remain challenging. Many programs struggling to evaluate speaking, reading, comprehension, and writing in nuanced and reliable way. So the author of this is Hannah Foy, Sen Vidal, Remaris Kenwood, and Monica Nis-Podziano. So the number 4 is the accessibility and equity issue. Criticism accesses technology and digital literacy can create disparities in call implementation. Students without access to computers, reliable internet, or sufficient technology skills may be disadvantaged. advantage. So the author of this is A.P. Dia in Jowa. So the last one is the potential of isolation and reduced human interaction. Criticism, excessive reliance on call can lead to isolation and reduce opportunities for authentic human interaction, which is crucial in language development. So crucial in language development. So the author of this is Hannah Coy, Seth Lee, Demaris Kenwood, and Monica Podzian. So that's all.
So the next part about the theory, call theory, is the application of call theory in language teaching and learning. So call theory offers a wide range of applications that can be integrated into various language teaching and learning contexts. So we have 5 applications of call theory. So the first one is vocabulary acquisition. So call programs provide interactive vocabulary exercises, flashcards, and games to enhance vocabulary learning. Just like, for instance, an app like Quizlet offers interactive flashcards and games for vocabulary practice. If you want to enhance your vocabulary, you want to download apps like Quizlet. So the second one is grammar instruction. So all programs can present grammatical rules through animations, interactive exercises, and simulations, making grammar learning more engaging and accessible. Just like, for instance, a website like Grammarly provides interactive exercise and explanations for various grammatical concepts. So the third one is pronunciation practice. So all programs utilize speech cognition software and audio recordings to help learners improve their pronunciation. So example, an app like Speechify allows learners to listen to text read aloud and practice pronunciation. So there are many apps I can help enhance your pronunciation. So the best example is ang Speechify. So the fourth one is reading and listening comprehension. So one program offers interactive reading and listening activities, including quizzes, comprehension questions, and audio visual materials. So one of the examples is a platform like Khan Academy provides engaging videos by using, para magamit lang ang Code Theory, they should encourage the students to use both tools that align to their preferences. So now, let's move on to the applying grammatical concept with Code Theory. So, grammatical concept with Code Theory. Okay. So, code can be effectively used to teach grammatical concepts. So, we have four grammatical concepts. So, the first one is interactive grammar exercises. So, use online platforms or software that offer interactive grammar exercises such as fill in the blanks, multiple choice questions, and drag and drop activities. So, example, a website like English Grammar 101 offers interactive exercises for various grammatical concepts. So, the second one is grammar games. So, incorporate gamified grammar exercises to make learning more engaging and fun. So, one of the best example is an app like Grammarly Go. So, it offers grammar games and quizzes. So, the third one is sentence building activities.